Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now to those of you that have not subscribed, if you are viewing this channel, check if you subscribe. If you've not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So you all know that what happened. I think I did analysis on the 2nd of February. I told you guys at least a pullback will be made. Then we would have a drop to this level of 73, which you can see that price has actually given us that drop. So if you have been following this channel consistently, I've been talking about a massive drop coming soon on WTI. I think for almost 2 weeks now, I've been talking about WTI giving us a huge drop. So this is one of the reasons why price has actually been acting funny within this level right here. You see that price will come to this level, then come down, come to this level, come down. Like I've been talking about that price is actually failing to break this ice here. So that is why I said there will be a massive drop that will be playing out. So this is what it is now. This drop has been made. Is this drop over? Definitely not. More drop is to come on WTI in the long run. Maybe by the time this month end, you will be able to see the drop on WTI. Now let's go to the full week monthly time frame. I mean, when you take a look at it, you will see that truly, especially technically, more drop is to come. So we will be expecting WTI maybe by the time this month end or to let's see if it will enter next month, which is March, we would get to a level of 62. We are currently trading at 73, right? So by this month, by the time this month end, which is February, we should hit a level of 62. But now let's do analysis for this week on WTI. So before I actually get started, before I actually go ahead, I want you guys to know that I've already set up a Patreon channel where I personally will be giving out an exclusive content that I believe we have, trade that I believe we have about 70 to 90% chance of winning such trade. That is exactly what I'll be putting in my Patreon channel. So I will put the link below. Check the link if you are interested. You can actually, subscribe with me. When the month end, when you see that when the month end and you've not gotten what I promise you, it is very simple. You can go ahead to cancel your subscription. So let's get started. So this movement, this is let's say I think this movement started June, right? If I'm not wrong, around June, July, June, July period. This price has been dropping, right? It has been giving us this drop. So you can see that this price is also trading below our 10 period simple moving average. So technically, when you look at this price is not over. So we can see that this is a drop, and here happens to be a pullback. So this is another drop again. So we'll be expecting more drop to probably break these lows. I'll be expecting this week to give us that drop to break below a level of 69. So that is what I'll be watching out for. Once this price can break a level of 69, wait, like 16, right? 69. So once the price can break a level of 69, I will be expecting a little bit of a pullback, not much. Then another maybe last drop again. Who knows? But as time goes on, we will know. So another drop that will be made that will hit a level of 62. So we are currently trading at 60, 73, right? This week we should try and aim for a level of 69 on WTI. So we are still bearish. We can also see that this price is trading below the 10 period simple moving average. So for a swing trader, I think all you would want to do is go ahead and sell. We are still on a bearish move. Now down to the weekly time frame. So we can see that this week that just finished, we actually closed to bearish. So last week also we had a bearish move. So let's get a mini pullback here. Then that drop that we are expecting to a level of 69 should actually play out. So this is the level of 69, right? This is the level that I've highlighted. This is the level of 69. So one drop, or maybe a little bit of a pullback during the day. So if the pullback will be made, I'm going to give you guys that update on my Patreon channel. So if you want to get that such update, I want you to actually check the link below and test it out and subscribe. So now we are still bearish. You can also see that this price is also trading below the 10 period simple moving average. So maybe during the day, a little bit of a pullback will be made, then another drop will be made that will hit a level of 69 for this week. So I am watching out for a level of 69 for this week. That is what I am watching out for. So WTI is still on a bearish move, right? So we want to take out this lows this week, surely this week. So now down to the daily time frame, we can see that there is a reaction. I do say it that if price has reacted to a level previously and price gets to that same level, we expect a reaction at this level. So this is it. So price has just reacted to this same level. We can see it here, right? So now that this price is at this same level, we would expect price to react to this same level. That is why I said a pullback will be made before another drop for the week we play out that we come to a level of 69 that I've talked about. And when you even look at it this way, when you maybe take a look at this to be a drop, we can see that once price has reacted to the same level here. This is why this green candle was sticking out as a pullback. Now, this is a massive fall that has been made here. So what should surely come to your mind? Definitely a pullback. This drop will not just continue that without a pullback playing out. So we should expect a pullback. Maybe with the period of Monday and Tuesday, a pullback should actually play out. Then another final drop will be made to a level of 69. So that is what I'm watching out for. You can see on the monthly time frame, you are trading below the 10 period simple moving average. On the weekly time frame, same thing. We are also trading below the 10 period simple moving average. When you go to your daily time frame, same thing, 10 period simple moving average. It will not make sense for you to just go start going long on WTI. I mean, that I don't think that would make sense, right? Except it's maybe breaks above it, maybe then you can go. But as long as it is still below, all I would just say is watch for a setup to go ahead and sell. Downward to the 4 hour time frame. We can even see on the 4 hour time frame, we're also expecting a pullback, like I said. So we can see that this is a gigantic fall. So we expect a pullback to also play out on a 4 hour time frame. So this confirm my analysis from the weekly time frame to the daily time frame to the 4 hour time frame that a pullback will be made, which will go bullish. So we should be expecting that pullback within a period of Monday and Tuesday. Then we can now continue this massive fall on this WTI. So guys, for this week, expect more bearish move. Even on this 1 hour time frame, it looks like this pullback wants to start playing out. So at the end of the day, we still expect a pullback. Like I said, if you're interested in any of my analysis, give it a try, right? I'll paste the link below in the comment section. Just give it a like and give it a try. Just give it a try. If at the end of the month you don't get the value that I promised you, then you can go ahead and cancel your subscription. Give it this month and be able to access all what I'll be giving out. If at the end of the month you actually don't think there's any gain in you subscribing, being a member of my Patreon channel, then you can go ahead and cancel your subscription. So, like I said, check the link and give it a try.